Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muarofatul isnaini. I am from Universitas Gajayana. My study program in physics. Here I will explain about biophysics for simulation of TLD-700 for the determination of the equivalence of 10 Hp and gamma. Radiation works using the MCNPX approach. Before, you know that stand for MCNPX. MCNPX is Monte Carlo and particle exchange. The use of radiation is often found in various fields, for example in the medical field, power plants, and others. Radiation workers must carry orders, monitoring to reduce the impact of background radiation on the body. One, the monitoring tools for gamma radiation is TLD-700. What is TLD-700? With the picture, radiation dust received by the worker must be considered so as not to exceed the value of the dust limit. This is mean the effect on workers both stochastic and deterministic effect. Now we enter the research method. There are two groups of procedure in this study, namely experiment and simulation. Experiments were carried out using irradiation with a TS course assisted by TLD-700 as shown below. After reading TLD, get a response, convert it to a dust HP10. As in the following equation. For simulation carried out by filling in a number of cards, such as scale cards, surface cards, and data cards. This is shown to cover from the unit of energy to the dust. Discussion result. In experiment for perpendicularity using secondary data and a rate of 844 in hour, as in the following picture 1, while for the result of MCNPX output obtained in the form of a dust rate of 8,565 in hour, as in figure 2 below. Then the output is converted to a dust of HP 10 by multiplying it with the time of exposure as in figure 3 below. The dust rate of the MCNPX output was 14,920, then converted to a dust of HP 10 which is the usual for other cases of radiation by changing the area of contamination as shown in figure 4. Then, look for a correction factor between the source perpendicular to the flow source. The aim is to find out how much the difference in the dust rate and HP dust 10 between the perpendicular source and the source below it is known that the source dust rate on the floor is greater than the perpendicular source. So, conclusion that can be taken from the description above, it can be concluded that MCNPX is great potential to estimate personal equivalence HP10 of the workers' radiation that is by calculating the rate dust. The difference in dust rate obtained from MCNPX with experimental result only by 1.5%. Simulation result for factor correction show the dust rate at position. That is all from me. If there is one word, sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.